that you are doing well. Today is Sunday the 16th of March and it's been a while, but I will tell you all about that in my next weapon chat. I have some happy mail in front of us. I've probably been sitting with this for about 2, 3, 4 weeks maybe, I don't know, because this last 2 months have been crazy. We've been moving my parents' house, packing, unpacking, all of that. That's why I couldn't make videos as well. So this video is to unbox this. Now, I had to put my tripod like at the highest setting possible for this. So I'm quite high from this. We're going to measure it, but this is huge and I couldn't carry this on my own. I needed help. The supplier I got this from, I asked him and he said it's 17 kilograms. Okay, that's a lot. I am on average about 55 kilograms. In any case, I don't have any muscle, but I had to get help. My husband had to carry this up to my craft room. So I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to tell you about how I found the supplier and what my idea was. This is something quite unique. I haven't seen how it looks as a finished product. The supplier and I spoke over WhatsApp, and yes, I will tell you all about that as we do the unboxing. But before we start, I would just like to ask you, before you leave this video, if you could kindly leave me a thumbs up, and also if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate that. So yeah, I think this is something really cool and I hope my expectations are going to match that. But let's get into this. I'm excited. Okay, I'm going to use my trusty blade cutter and I'm just going to cut the sellotape around it because there's a lot. So let me get into this. Getting there, this side done. Okay guys, goodness, I can see it this side, but I think it's the wrong way. Oh, okay, can I just quickly show you? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, sorry for this, it's not a very professional unboxing. Guys, this is difficult to get into, it's very heavy. Let me just quickly show you. I had to break off that piece. Whew, wow. And as you saw, I had to, it was the wrong side up, so I had to just put it on this side. The labels was on the other side, so I thought that that was the right side up. Any guys, it was upside down. Very good packaging, very good packaging. So what is this? Ooh. It is diamond painting related, guys. It's diamond painting related. It's a bit dusty. So I found the carpenter because I feel that is a very rare hobby nowadays. I'm in South Africa and you don't get carpenters a lot anymore, people that make wooden objects by hand. So even if you order this same object, it's gonna be different because it's handmade. Handmade items, like I always tell you guys, there could be flaws. So if you're somebody that would be bothered by something, then that's not for you. But I love my custom made stuff, so a flaw is something unique to me, so I call it the perfect imperfection. Any case, let's look at this. Okay, so this, let's measure it now. Oh, 74 centimeters in length. 62 centimeters. And it looks like 14 centimeters in height. But there's something hidden underneath, so it makes it a bit taller. Okay, I'm going to try and do this. Okay, you can probably see my muscles now as well. You know what I mean when I say I struggle. So, look at that beauty. a very shaky, unprofessional video. I'm sorry, but it's so big and won't fit into the frame, and I want you to see everything. Do you see these thingies? So they're foldable table feet. So yes, I'm using the word table. Let me quickly fold them up. I think it's gonna be easier to work like that. Wow, that's steel. Oh, it's nice. Okay. Oh. Okay. Can I just show you like this quickly? So there you have the feetsies, and then the side. So then you have your tabletop, and there's drawers. Look at that. Oh. Okay, we got to measure this. Yo guys, I'm excited. This is exceeding my expectations already. Okay, so 43 centimeters. So I'm measuring the insides of the drawers, and that is 29.5. Okay. Yo. What's this one gonna look like? Oh, yes, it's the same. I have to clean it a bit, but it's dusty. Like I said, handmade. Let's take a look at the details. So there's like a smooth sliding mechanism. So this is gorgeous. Okay, you see there's hinges. Oh my goodness. I walked around just to see. So see. So let's for instance put it there, and then it looks like this. So then this is the back. Let's go to the front. Yo, that's big. Goodness. Sure. Guys, I'm happy. Yo. Frans, the Supplier. I love it. Chef's kiss. Yo. Okay. Why I wanted this? Because I want to be able to sit cross-legged, because that's my favorite position to diamond paint. Sit cross-legged on here. This is a drafting table, a diamond painting table, art table, whatever you want to use it. Look at this for your light pad. I don't have my light pad here, it's downstairs. This is amazing. Frans asked me what I liked in a draft table, and I said to him places to put my accessories. So he added the little feet for me that I can fold if I want to, or use it like this, so I can sit cross-legged. This will work. And then this, I can choose the angle, which I think is amazing, because then I can sit and diamond paint and I can do my weapon chats with you guys. So let's take a look if I put a diamond painting on here. So how I found Frans, and please look at the description box of this video. I'm gonna put his contact details in there. If you like what you see, you want something different, you can tell him. He also makes frames, wooden frames, if you want to frame your diamond paintings. And I think that's awesome. Guys, this is so big. I don't even know like how to show this to you. I'm going to quickly take one of my diamond paintings and put it on here. Okay. I'm going to take one of my whips, which is Diamond Art Club, Steampunk Prowess, and she is 68.9 centimeters by 96.3 centimeters. So this is a large diamond painting, okay? And I saw people on the group where he advertised this, like, no, it's too small for their diamond paintings. Can I just show you this almost 1 meter length diamond painting? How perfectly it fits on here. So what I have is I hang them up on my rack, as you can see there. And this is just easier. I start usually at the top and then I work my way down to the bottom, or otherwise I start at the bottom. It doesn't matter how you want to do it. For me, this is perfect. Now look at this. I can now position you there, and I can sit underneath here. Can I just show you? Please excuse my pale legs. But I like to sit like this in diamond paint. So I can now sit here and diamond paint and talk to you. Sorry, I'm moving the tripod obviously. If you have a bigger diamond painting, I mean, what I then usually do is I roll up the diamond painting here, or at the top, and I have clamps that I clamp them to the table. So you don't have to do a diamond painting right side up like this. You can do it sideways, you can do it upside down, whatever, the symbols. So I just feel like the people saying that this table was too small, it's not small. It is amazing. It is so practical. Obviously with the feet, you can now sit on your bed if you want to, and I can also lie it flat, and then the part I've worked on, and I do this with my other drafting table as well, I put my drills on there. Sometimes take out that foam part of the suitcases where your containers are in or whatever. It's soft, it won't damage your diamond painting. I put it on here and I sit and work on it. But at this angle, I think I have it next to me. So guys, this is a diamond painting draft table for me. My draft table number 2. So guys, I think that this is amazing. This is really an amazing table. This is just an extra that I found. I didn't realize when I had this angle, I didn't see that this was lying at the bottom. And then when I was holding it like this, it's a magnet. Like, so that means if you diamond paint and you start from the top and you need something to hold your diamond painting, like, you can put your margin of your diamond painting in here, and you can put it at your angle that you want, and then you can diamond paint. So it keeps your diamond painting in place, or wherever you are with it. I mean, it's like a magnetic frame, but it's at the top of the table. How cool is that? I am now even more like excited. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below and tell me if you've seen something like this before. What do you think? Do you like it? Even if you're not in South Africa, is this something that you would buy? Let me know. But I think it's so cool. I love it. It's amazing. I am really happy with this. So thank you so much, Frans. I really like it. And to the people that was uncertain about it, because Frans advertised it a lot on one of the local diamond painting groups, yeah, I am happy that I was the one that could get it, because he only made one, and yeah, I got it, and I gave him more than he asked for because I know that what it costs, and yeah, I like to support local, so always try and support small businesses because it's income for the family. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna love and leave you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.